XOM stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Exxon Mobil stock is a buy or not for me, so watch this short video till the end. Exxon Mobil, this gotta be the name of the day, but was such a bullish market for me beforehand, but everything seems gonna, like, it kind of got shifted here. And ultimately, just observing it even from this chart still looks like the same, you know, still looks like I'm looking to take things up, to take things higher. And I'm not gonna lie, it of course is. Like previously here, I called up bullish market. This is like the beginning of the year. So we're sitting here. This is kind of the last, our top of the range that we had. And ultimately observing this chart, this is honestly not gonna be a immediate buy for me because this is absolutely awful price action. More so I want to see a clean double break. And only if I see that, I'm then going to continue, you know, to move with it. But other than that, I'll keep you updated. And in the meantime, all I will keep doing is I'll just keep waiting. So that's about it. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.